Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today I'm going to show you how can you empty trash on iPhone. So at first just go to your photos and now just scroll here, and here you can see the last one recently deleted. Click on it. Now here you can see all of your recently deleted photos and videos here. You can just delete your photos and videos by clicking the top right select option and click on the bottom left delete all and click on delete from all devices, and this is how you can delete all of your recently photos and videos. So guys, that's how you can empty trash on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.